Join us to explore one of the most fun-filled and family-friendly resorts at Universal Orlando. With its retro theme and incredible amenities, the Cabana Bay Beach Resort is a blast from the past with all the modern comforts you could ask for. Inspired by the classic Florida beach resorts of the 1950s and 60s, Cabana Bay boasts a nostalgic vibe that'll transport you back to the golden era of American beach holidays. When it comes to accommodations, Cabana Bay doesn't disappoint. From standard rooms to family suites with kitchenettes, the resort offers a variety of options to fit any group size and budget. Our room was on the 10th floor of the beachside tower and had an incredible view of Volcano Bay. Universal's Volcano Bay Water Theme Park is a tropical paradise filled with thrilling rides, serene escapes, and experiences that range from exhilarating to relaxing. In addition to a massive wave pool, there are a number of great rides, including the Krakatoa Aqua Coaster. Riders board specially designed canoes that propel them upward on water jets, sending them through dark twists and turns within the heart of the volcano before emerging with a splash. If your plans include a visit to Volcano Bay, then the Cabana Bay Beach Resort is the perfect hotel to stay in, as there is an entrance just behind the Bayside Tower building. Getting back to our room, we found it to be spacious and comfortable, and at just $137 per night, we thought it was a great value for the money. Before we talk about the amenities and dining options, let's do a quick drive around Cabana Bay. Inside the lobby is the check-in desk, Swizzle Lobby Bar, gift shop, and a Universal Ticket Center. There is also a large Starbucks for your morning coffee. On the second floor, guests will find the Jack LaLanne Fitness Studio, the Fun in the Sun Recreation Center, the Gamerama Arcade, and the Galaxy Bowl Bowling Alley and Restaurant. Just past the lobby area is the Bayside Diner, which is the resort's main dining option. From burgers to salads and sandwiches, the Bayside Diner has just about everything you would want for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Cabana Bay features a white sandy beach, 2 resort pools, a waterside, lazy river, hot tubs, and 2 splash pads. The lazy river courtyard was closed for renovations at the time of our stay, but the Cabana courtyard was open for guests to enjoy. Check out our blog post for photos of the pool areas as well as more information on the pools at Cabana Bay. When staying on site at the Universal Orlando Resort, guests receive a number of benefits that greatly enhance the enjoyment of their visit. These benefits include early park admission to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, free transportation to the Universal theme parks, and complimentary access to the clubs at Universal's City Walk. Cabana Bay is the largest individual on-site hotel at Universal, featuring a total of 2,200 rooms. The northernmost end of the resort included the first phase of Cabana Bay's construction. Opened in 2014, Phase 1 included a total of 5 low-rise buildings, which contain traditional hotel rooms and family suites. Phase 2 brought an additional 400 rooms in the 2 towers, opening for guests in mid-2017. The beachside and bayside towers include traditional hotel rooms along with 20 2-bedroom suites. Before we head out, let's take a quick ride on Universal's newest roller coaster, the Jurassic World Velocicoaster.